Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn about Streamlit. Streamlit will help us to create data visualization web application with few line of code. Now let's install this package. So I'll go to pypi site and from here I copied this pip command. Then let's install Streamlit and it will install all the dependencies and all the required packages. Once we install these packages, then we are going to create one sample application. Now let's see this sample code here. Now in this sample code what we have is like title, and then we have written some data, and then we have a slider, and the number whatever we'll select, that slider will show that number. In order to start this web application, we have to give command like streamlit run and then python file. Now here we can see it has opened this web application here, where I can select any number using this slider, and the same number I can see below. Now let's explore different input options like text input, buttons, checkbox or select box, file uploader. So we are going to restart this application, and here we can see different input options like in text data, then we have button, we have checkbox, we have option to select here, and then file uploader. So these are different options what we have. Now let's create one web application to visualize how students are performing in exam. So we are going to see data for each student, and then we are going to compare with the minimum, maximum and average number scored in that class. So here we are going to read data from this input file, then we are going to create a full ID with ID and name, and in the sidebar we can select one particular student, and that student data we can see. Along with that we are calculating stat like average, maximum, minimum, and then we are plotting a student's number with this stat. So let's start this application and we can explore. So here here we can see in left side we can select one particular student, and those details we can see in top, and then here for each subject we can see the number, and then red is minimum, green is maximum, and average also we are plotting here. In case you don't want to install this package in your local, then streamlit.io we have one playground. So here in this playground we can write the code and we can see the output. So I have pasted the same code here, and then we can see we are getting the same output. And if I'm going to change something here, instead of dashboard I'm saying a student dashboard, then the same thing will reflect immediately in this output. So I'm just adding a student performance dashboard. That change also we can see here. So thanks for watching.